What's good, YouTube? Today is that fucking day that I get my samples. You dig? So today's about to be a unboxing video. I'm damn near on my way home. They just called me, told me the package dropped off. I ain't gonna lie, I'm happy as fuck. Like, I'm bad happy. Feel me? I might be wearing my own fucking clothes. Like, is that not fucking crazy? But yeah, bro. I'm gonna show y'all when I get to the crib. I'm gonna do the unboxing, this, that. Make sure y'all tune into my TikTok. My brand TikTok is Fly Presidents, Instagram Fly Presidents. Check both of them out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe in this video. Make sure you follow my Instagram, Chris. I'll put it on the screen, probably just in the description. But yeah, boom it at! Bow! Alright, y'all, I made it back to the crib. We about to do an unboxing right now. You might see me recording twice because I'm doing it for TikTok and YouTube, but yeah, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so for me, we about to open the box right now. Gotta blow out the address. Can't go too deep. I ain't trying to cut this shit now. You can come stand over it, like stand up and aim it down at the box. Shit, y'all. This shit says fucking Fly Presidents, bro. Oh my gosh. So, you got the red, black, yellow. Got the gray, black. Like, I can't believe these niggas ran through these packages and left everything open, bro.
Who did?
The customs thing, cause they gotta make sure it's not drugs.
Word?
Puff print on the hoodie. Distress embroidery. This is 480 GSM. No, either 400 or 580 GSM.
Good quality, y'all.
Good quality. Then you got the, damn, like, then you got the baby blue right here. Some more black. And it's a purple one. God damn.
Take a look at that.
Let's take a look at this, bro. Oh my god. So these aren't like the bulk order. These are like orders my friends made for me. They just wanted to support and everything. Yeah, I'm about to put y'all on the stand and like just show y'all. I bet. So we gotta open up a good one. You see what this shit look like. Oh my gosh. I can't believe like this is really like my own fucking clothes, bro. Pull up, Danny, pull up. You don't even gotta record right now. Hey, man. My brother, bro, the only nigga that ever continuously believed in me, bro. What did you say? Yeah.
This is where it starts.
Oh, where it starts.
It's quality, though, bro.
Nice.
This is probably the best quality tracksuit I've ever had, especially on other brands. I'm not gonna throw shade, but this quality right here, I gotta give it to you.
Screen print feel good. Screen print feel good, yeah.
How could these be
Look at
washed?
the stitching.
What do you?
Cold washing. Don't put them in the dryer.
Okay.
That's what you do. Cold wash. Don't put them in the dryer. Puff print on the arms. Damn. Distress embroidery. Fuck that. Let me see the
Fuck pants.
Let me see the pants.
How the quality on that shit feel?
Feel tough. Let me see. Oh, they dead put the drawstrings on it. I didn't know he's gonna put drawstrings on it. I really don't like the drawstrings. It's pretty cheap quality, but so good.
You got a back pocket on it too?
Distress embroidery. Nah.
No back pocket?
No
Alright,
back
that's
pocket.
good. No, I don't even need one. For
Distress embroidery. Logo. Pins. Big floral puff print. Feel me? Fuck it, let me get, bro, just throw glue on, bro.
Oh shit?
Yeah, throw those shit, bro. I'm gonna get back to you. I only put these on. Boom. Tried it on. Feel me? Put it. Puff around the side of the arms. Puff around the side of the arms. I'm gonna find a way to show y'all the pins. Let me move. I'm about to start the video again. Let me move back a little bit. Alright, this is sweater. Show y'all.
That's how it looks, y'all.
Puff around the pants.
Fly, fuck the president.
Boot cut. Oh my god.
Quality, amazing.
Top ass quality. One thing I look wish I would have did was get like the pants kind of a little bit cut up a little bit more, but it's all good. I think they got those pants I was trying to get. Something sturdy, bro. Puffing all the way to the bottom. Hold on, let me try and find a way so I can show y'all the cut of the pants, bro. But long pants, just like that Saint brand. The Saint brand has the pants just like this.
You gotta really show this part right here. This is different.
Yeah. Hold up.
Look at that, y'all.
I'll show y'all this real quick. Look at this, bro. This is the baby blue right here. This is crazy, bro. This is really my. Bro, y'all should show the quad. Bro, trust me, bro. Photo shoot coming soon.
Oh yeah, I'm pulling bitches with this tomorrow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Great quality, y'all. Oh my god. Hold on, gotta do a TikTok.
Shooting 2-2, throw him out just like a missile. Labels blowing on my phone, if it's not answered, not dismissal. Niggas politicking at the end, they are snitching. Bad bitch, BBL, and that hair got any stitch. Businessman gave her 20 and I told her as a flip. Told that bitch to bend it over cause she like when I submiss. Just like Curry, let it rain, many bullets and a switch. Man, ask some niggas, I did it, it's a woman on a mission. When I shoot and shit ain't cook, we got infinite ammunition. Walk concrete, I've been a hit peak. Cause if I find you, then your ass gonna end up dead. I done racks up in the front and in the back. Tell her to get off it, shake it, give me a that little bitch, she treats that bitch, she is a leg. Bitch, I'm spinning on a blanket for my pet. Kill that boy, we got a bounty on his head. Don't ask me what, cause I just said just what I said. Don't got no gun and I just beat him till he dead. Don't got no filter, bitch, I fill you up a lead. In front of the neck up, bitch, I aiming for your head. Shoot out his casket just to make sure that he dead. The kick is too soon, bitch, I'm crazy, bitch, I'm ass.